If you have watched online videos about how amazing Magnific AI is and got disheartened the moment you saw the price, then this is the right video for you. And if you do not know what Magnific AI or Kriya AI is, then fasten your seatbelts because you are in for one hell of a ride. Kriya creates 3D versions for 2D images like this. You can get various renditions like this one, this one, this one, or even this one. It is even possible to go the other direction and create cartoon images or 2D images from photographs. I am going to keep this video short by only talking about necessary parts. First, go to this website kriya.ai, click on sign up. You can either continue with Google or sign up using your email ID. I logged in using the Google ID. Now first things first, go to pricing. It has one free tier and 3 paid tiers. The free tier gives you a daily limit. If you click on the account button, it shows Kriya free usage 0 of 3 minutes. It resets every day and gives 3 minutes of usage, but I don't actually know. As far as I have used this, I can generate unlimited renditions using this generate page. The only time I have seen this amount being used up is when we go to the enhance tab and upscale the images. More on that later. Now moving on to the good stuffs. Image generation. When you launch it for the first time, it opens up with a photo background like this one along with a few shapes on the canvas. You can play around with different prompts or just let this create a random prompt for you. There are a few tools here. You can create a rectangle, a sphere, or a triangle using the shape tool. By clicking on this button, you can generate random images. Use the paintbrush to paint whatever you like. This is actually very useful. The eraser button erases as the name suggests, and upload image. Here you can upload any image that you like. I uploaded this Mario image earlier and just write Mario, and also changing the background to white color. That would tidy up the image. Let me just change the prompt a little bit. Now you have to play around with the AI strength to find the sweet spot where it just gives the image that you are looking for. This one looks pretty good as a starter point. Now click on quick enhance. It enhances the image to make it more suitable to our taste. A few clicks and you can already see the image turning more to our liking. If we try CGI, this gives a 3D doll-like effect to this image, and again a few quick enhances changes it remarkably. This is one of the frames from our graphic novel, The Concise Vortex. Just changed a few prompts and you can already see the image turn completely realistic. After applying a couple of quick enhances, the image has gotten even better. I think you have already seen enough to make you want to jump into this AI tool and use it right away. I am going to show you that feature which makes it really a worthy competitor to Magnific AI. Enhance. You can upload any image and enhance that, or you can directly enhance the images you have already generated. This is an earlier generation of the image that you just saw. You can clearly see what 4x upscale does to the image. Unlike other upscaling tools like Upscale, Chainer, Lightroom, where the originality of the image stays intact, in this case, this creates details on top of the pre-existing image. Let me throw in some more complicated images. It is a combination of both a human face and a landscape. It has really taken into account both the aspects of the image and added details based on that. Once you toggle the settings on, it shows the prompt that it has already generated. It has beautifully and accurately described the image and added details on top of that. There are different types of enhancement you can go with. The default, you can select the AI strength, resemblance, clarity. There is an option for negative prompt, even color correction. Looks like the 4x upscale retains the same image like the 2x upscale, just more resolution. Now let us talk about the weaknesses of this tool. I have seen that when it comes to low quality 2D images, the enhance feature does not work much at all, or maybe even makes the image worse. You can see in this image some spots, some clarity has of course increased, but it is technically the same image and you can't really say that it has made it much better. The reason might be lack of data in the image itself, and I'm sure you can change it by playing around with the settings, playing around with the prompt, selecting different options for upscale. But if we are going here for a quick enhance and get our job done within seconds automatically, then this is the area this tool fails. Same with this image of President Loki. This is the original, but when you apply the enhanced image, well, you can see for yourself. This is not the fault of the tool itself, and no way this is the limitation of the tool. This is more like the limitation of the user. I just went with the default upscale option here, but if I fine tune it, go to the settings, change the prompt, change the upscale method and play around with these sliders here, I shall definitely get a much better and suitable generation. But you can't play around that much when you are using the free tier, because every time you use enhance feature, it eats away those 3 minutes of yours. If you are a professional and this tool fits your workflow nicely, then obviously you are going to pay for it. So this won't be a problem for you anymore. But for people that are just starting out, this might seem like a little annoyance. But again, if you put into perspective the Magnific AI against this one, this is a no-brainer. But always keep in mind, this tool does not just upscale the images. It adds new details to it, changes the images quite a bit, and there are many cases where you cannot use an image that way. You need to upscale the original image as it is without any changes made. And after trying out more than 50 upscalers, I have finally settled on one upscaler that can upscale your images even up to 16x without any hassle, and which is open sourced, making it completely free. If you need to try out that upscaler, then just go to this video on my left.